Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm recreating Olivia Rodrigo's makeup look from the Met Gala. I absolutely loved it. I love these inner corners that have been kind of a trend. It's like a take on a cat eye. I love it. And purple eye makeup is always a go-to. So obviously I didn't do my hair like hers because I'm trying not to use heat and my hair is a little dirty, I'm not gonna lie. So I was just like, alright, this is the best we're gonna do. But I absolutely love how the makeup came out, and if you want to learn how I got it, then please keep watching. The blush got a little bit messed up, but we're just gonna ignore that. But I absolutely love how it came out. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.